Yeah, may I know your mother tongue? What is your mother tongue?
Hindi, Hindi.
Hindi. So let's do today, uh, Hindi to English translation.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, and you will, ask some Hindi sentences. I will translate, and I will ask, and you will translate.
Okay, first you ask.
Okay. So let's start.
Okay.
I'm very happy that you didn't, you did not ask that. Please introduce yourself. Actually, I'm getting tired of introducing myself. It's been a long time. That's first when you are when any person connects with me and started to please introduce yourself. I want to know about you. This is a very good way. And yeah, let's start. We are here to practice English speaking so that we can improve our English.
Okay, okay. Just start sentences give me and I will translate and I will try to translate.
Okay, so my okay. Yeah, दवाई ले लो.
Take this medicine.
Okay, great. वह बहुत अच्छा दिखता है.
See, he looks very good.
वह
He
पु,
looks very handsome.
या वह पुराना दिखता है.
He looks aged.
इससे बदबू आती है.
It gives wash,
वह
bad
इसकी
smell.
वह उसकी किताब है.
Uh, this is his book.
यह पर्याप्त नहीं है.
This is not sufficient.
यह सही नहीं है.
This is not right.
यह बुरा नहीं है.
This is not good. This is not bad.
इन्होंने देर हो ना इन्हें देर हो गई है.
Uh, he is getting late.
ओके, वे लोग पहुंचे.
They arrived.
ओके, वे वही हैं.
They are at right place. They are
ओके,
at right, exact place.
वे बहुत व्यस्त हैं.
He is very busy.
यह काम नहीं करता है.
It doesn't work. It is not
पहन कर
working.
पहन कर देखो.
Please put on this cloth.
यह क्या है.
What is this?
वो क्या है.
What is that?
तुम्हें पता तुम्हें तुम्हारा क्या पता क्या है. तुम्हारा
What is
पता
your
क्या.
address? What is your address?
दिनांक क्या है.
What is date today?
तापमान क्या है.
What is temperature today?
आज तारीख क्या है.
What is today date?
कौन सा अच्छा है.
Which one is good?
कौन सा मेरा है.
Which one is mine?
सभी चीजों के लिए धन्यवाद.
Thanks for all the things.
मेरी तरफ से आपको माफी मांग लेनी चाहिए.
Forgive from all for me.
Convey my apologies. Convey my
Okay, okay.
apologies.
Convey my apology. Okay, okay.
So now, you ask, and you have almost translated, all sentences in a good way and correctly. So now it's your turn. Okay.
Okay, okay. So I am going now. My turn is coming, and so सब कुछ मेरा है.
Please stand at one place.
Okay. सब कुछ
Yeah.
मेरा है.
Everything is mine.
मेरे हाथ में एक मोबाइल है.
I have in my hands a phone.
मैं आपसे बातें कर रहा हूँ वीडियो कॉल पर.
I am talking to you on video call.
My age शादी के काबिल नहीं है.
My age not enough for marriage.
Okay. So अभी 12 बजा है.
It's 12 o'clock.
मेरे हाथ में बहुत पैसा था.
I had lot of money in my hands.
मेरा दांत में दर्द है.
I have toothache.
In my teeth. Okay, okay. Very good. So my age ज्यादा नहीं है.
My age is I am not too old.
ओके, मैं टकला आदमी हूँ।
I am bald.
ओके, सो मैं 15 kg आपसे कम हूँ।
I am less than 15 kg than you.
ओके ओके, 12 अभी फरवरी महीने में कितना दिन बाकी है?
How many days is left in February?
ओके, मेरे खेत में गेहूं ही गेहूं है।
Um, I can't translate it.
बट आई
Can
हैव
you?
आल्सो कांट ट्रांसलेट बट ऑटोमेटिकली माय माउथ says it, but I'm just trying to, there is wheat and wheat everywhere in my land, but
Yeah,
I am
yeah,
not sure.
yeah, yeah. Okay, that's okay. I'm also not sure.
But
Let's. Yeah, ask can you?
ओके, मेरे गांव में एक तालाब है।
There is a pot in my village.
मैं आपसे मिलना चाहा।
I wanted to meet you.
ओके, आप दिल्ली क्यों गए?
Why did you go to Delhi?
ओके, आसमान में बादल छाए हैं।
The sky is overcast, cloudy.
ओके ओके, ओवर क्लाउडी। भारत में 28 राज्य हैं।
In India has 28 states.
झारखंड कभी बिहार का एक हिस्सा था।
Jharkhand was the part of Bihar.
Okay, okay, very good. Now it is over. You also translate all the thing in good way, and I learned a lot of thing from you, because some of the translation what I just gave you in Hindi, I did not know about that, but directly I just asked.
Yeah, okay, that's okay. So, do you have any question? Please stand at one place. Don't walk.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
So you before starting you just tell my name. How do you know that my name is Rajiv Kumar? Because I haven't written anything on my Skype ID.
No, no. I know. I saw on this application. That's why I called Rajiv Kumar.
Okay, okay. Means that RKR farmhouse I have written.
But I saw your name
Okay,
on
okay. Yeah, yeah,
screen.
yeah. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay,
So
so
do you have any topic, bro? Do you have any topic for discussion?
yeah, I have one topic. Let's discuss or let's ask, answer, and question by using do and does.
Oh, do and does. Why
Yeah.
using do and does means that why using do and does?
Yes.
I have to translate or not?
No, no. You only ask by using do and does, and I will answer. That do you have any? That do you like that? Yes, I like. Yes, I don't like.
Okay, okay. Means that I have to use do or does. Except
Yes.
this, I don't use. Means
Yeah.
that I have to make translation in English, and you will have to give answer.
Yeah.
Do you have any mobile phone in your home?
Yes, I have.
Do you go to watch a horror movie?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Okay. How many? Okay, sorry. Do you have any books for study in your home?
Yes, I do.
Does your father even beat you?
Yes, he does.
Does your brother give you money for
No,
your pocket?
no, he doesn't.
Okay. So do you have fever in the night time?
No, I don't have.
Okay. So does Ram go to school every day at the
Yes,
daytime by bus?
yes, he does.
Does she give you every day 5 rupees?
Yes, she does.
Okay.
Okay, let me
So
ask.
okay. Okay.
So, I will start. Do you speak English fluently?
No, I don't know. I don't speak English fluently. I'm just
O-
trying. I'm just try.
Oh, okay. So, what do you do for that?
Yeah, I every day practice for that.
Okay. So, do you practice every day?
Yeah, of course. I practice every day.
Do you like book?
Of course, I like very much book, reading book and story book, mathematics book, political science book. Every books I like to read.
Okay, brother. So let's meet another time. Okay. Something important came up. My mother is
Okay,
calling
okay,
me.
okay.